I do apologize, everyone. We are coming live. Not scheduled, not ready, but this is why you hit the like and subscribe. Something has happened, and it's very important for you guys to know. So please hit the like and subscribe. We are bullish AF right now. Gary Gensler, I think, just released their disclosure for the SEC of when they are ready to approve Bitcoin. I need everyone to really listen to this and pay closely attention to word for word. Why is this happening? And if you pay attention to when it was released, this was 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago. This is not an AI. This is actually
What is
Gary.
the Securities and Exchange Commission's Division of Corporation Finance, and what does it have to do with a basic bargain? Let me take you back to the 1920s. This was a remarkable time in the United States.
Why is this happening?
Industrialization on the rise and mass production of automobiles on our roads. There was something missing, though. Federal laws that protect investors. Investors in those days were getting flim-flammed by hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists,
What?
and Ponzi schemes.
Does anybody else
After the
find
Great
this as
Depression began,
crazy as I do?
investing public, President Franklin Roosevelt and Congress enacted what Roosevelt called, and I quote, Truth in Securities Act. That was the Securities Act of 1933, and in essence, this law established a basic bargain in our capital markets. So you see, investors get to decide what risks they take, so long as public companies raising money from the public make what Roosevelt called, and I quote, complete and truthful disclosure, end quote. A year later, Congress enacted laws to create our agency.
Is anybody else
Regulate the
flabbergasted?
exchanges and intermediaries in the middle of the market, strengthen the anti-fraud rules, and yes, oversee this basic bargain. Under the securities laws, the SEC is merit neutral. We don't take a view on whether or not investors should invest in particular companies. Our role is to see.
Do you hear what he's saying? It's like they're telling you that if you invest in a crypto asset and you get your ass kicked, we are not telling you what to buy. This happened 4 hours ago, ladies and gentlemen. This is breaking news. Call it a conspiracy, call it what you want, but this is usually a type of video, some type of thing that they put out right before this Bitcoin spot ETF would get released. Call me crazy, but call me Wall Street Pete. Let's listen to the rest. I'm blown away, obviously.
See that you, as investors, get that, quote, complete and truthful disclosure that Roosevelt talked about. So you can make informed investment decisions and decide what risk to take. Since the SEC's founding, the Division of Corporation Finance has overseen this basic bargain. The division does so by helping to ensure that investors receive full, fair, and truthful disclosure. That's periodic disclosure in annual and quarterly reports. That's current reporting when issuers disclose that material events occurred. That's disclosure when companies first go public. That's disclosure for mergers or tender offers. That's disclosure about things like executive compensation and the boards of directors, and information for you to consider when voting during proxy season. The division's disclosure review team reviews filings, answers questions, and provides guidance to the issuers, including small businesses raising capital and navigating their obligations to report material information. The division also makes recommendations to our 5-member commission on updates to our rules, including disclosure rules, given the rapidly evolving technology and business models. That's some of the work that this remarkable team, more than 400 public servants, does to oversee and maintain this basic bargain that helps investors and issuers alike.
What do you guys think about that? I watched it for the first time. It actually blew my mind. Now, if many of you remember the last night's video, I did not know. I bought Polygon Matic at 73 cents 17 hours ago. I was telling people I bought it days ago because I didn't think that the price jumped that high. It's moving that fast. We did a video where we think we would sell out, 89 cents, 95 cent range. Cardano getting a pump. I love it. But most of all, we have 2 hours and 50 minutes until Bitcoin can finish this daily candle above 35.6. If it does, and it does keep pumping through here to the 36,000, we'll be pretty much on our way all the way to 38, 42,000 Bitcoin. So I'm pretty excited for that. My name is Wall Street Pete Sigdo, and crypto market cap has jumped just a 0.1, but hey, it's going up. The volume's coming in, and so is the price reflecting. 5-minute video real quick just to give you an up-to-date. I was pretty excited to give you this news. I cannot believe Gary came out and talking about so much in detail about disclosure and trying to really cover their ass. If you really listen to it in depth, listen to it one more time. I'm sorry I was talking over it. You can go on Twitter and listen to the whole thing without my big mouth. I didn't want to get a copyright, so the best way to do it is to have my fat mouth covering over most of his feed. So I do apologize for that. That was done on purpose. But I did want to share it with you. So please, I'll try to put it in the link in the comment section to show you if you wanted to get right to the video. I think it's pretty impressive. So I'm excited. The price is reflecting off it, and this is some of the times we've been waiting for. So please, if you can, smash that like button. We come to you with a live when we feel it's necessary. This is what we do for you. Hit the bell, all notification. Thanks again. Take care.